All right. Well,
like so many of my videos, this is another one-off. I made a truss plate press that I'm going to probably use one time for some trusses I need on a shed I'm building. I didn't want to spend much money on this, so I tried to use some steel I had laying around. That's why it looks a little funky. And I also needed something strong enough to stand up against 20 tons. I looked all over YouTube and found a few truss presses, but none of them actually went into the design. And when you're talking 20 tons of pressure, you really don't want any kind of a major fail. So if you go to the end of the video, you'll see a photo, and all of the dimensions of the steel that was used in building the press are listed in the photo. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them. As you can see, the press worked really great.
gusset press seems to do well.